Aloha, dear students. Today we were doing a very nice recap of things that you learned. Yes, we were overviewing the main structure of our 5-paragraph essay. We started with introduction, the hook, with the different strategies to write an appealing hook. And then the heart of our essay is our thesis statement. Then we have the 3 topic sentences, and we add detail. And then the conclusion with the closer. We add detail by means of knowledge, experience, and logic. We were concentrating most of our class on the thesis statement, following those 7 beautiful guidelines. One main idea. You have to show your stand, your position. Therefore, it's not merely an announcement. It is not a question. It is neither too broad nor too narrow. It has to be supportable and powerful. Then we were overviewing the differences between deductive versus inductive reasoning. Deductive from general to specific, inductive from specific to general. We overviewed as well the difference between argumentative versus expository. Going back into the deductive, we worked on an example of a 5-paragraph essay. The thesis could be the use of mandatory helmet should be applied in the state of Hawaii, or Hawaii, the use of helmets should be mandatory in the state of Hawaii, correctly. And then we were given, for instance, one case could be about the amount of critical injuries. And then another one, we were arguing about the number of fatal injuries. And another one could be it shows a good influence, there's a good example to our youth. And another one that you pointed out is the use of mandatory helmets in the military. It was pretty sweet. And then we could add detail. Another thing that we were doing was overviewing weak thesis statements, how to recognize them and how to fix them, for instance. Then we were seeing 5 kind of weak thesis statements. For instance, they make no claim. They are obviously true or are a fact, merely an announcement. 3, it restates conventional wisdom. 4, it offers a personal conviction as the basis for the claim. Therefore, it is not objective, it's subjective. And other type of weak thesis statements are the ones that make an overly broad claim. You came with some ideas to fix those weak thesis statements. And finally, we were overviewing, checking some of the strategies to create an introduction, starting with a hook with various formulas, various strategies to have a convincing hook, and the development of your introduction that could be an overview of the whole essay, or you could write dramatic story and narration. Important thing is that you have an appealing hook and very clear, straight to the point thesis statement.